Okay, today's topic resonance or mesomeric effect. So, what is resonance? Organic compounds can be represented by more than one structure. What is? You can represent structure for one compound, two or more structure. They differ only in the position of bonding and lone pair of electrons. So, in organic compounds, we can draw more than one structure for any compound. They differ only in what? Position of bonding and lone pair of electrons. Okay, such structures are called resonance structures. Okay, the place where resonance takes place, these are the important points: pi sigma lone pair, pi sigma free radical, pi sigma pi, lone pair sigma positive. So this is most important: pi sigma lone pair, pi sigma free radical, pi sigma pi, lone pair sigma positive. So what is resonance? Organic compounds having more than one structure, they differ only in a position of bonding and lone pair of electrons. So what is plus mesomeric effect or plus resonance effect? When a group completely transfer lone pair of electrons to a conjugated system through resonance. Okay, when a group, okay, uh, when a group completely transfer lone pair of electrons to a conjugated system called resonance. Minus M effect or minus R effect, when a group completely takes out pi electron from the conjugated system through resonance, that shows minus R or minus M effect. Okay, do you understand? When lone pair of electrons given to the conjugated system, that is called minus M or plus R effect. If a group takes away the electron from the conjugated system, that is called minus M or minus R effect. Example for pi sigma lone pair order. See the example. Here you are having pi sigma lone pair. So now this lone pair moves here. Okay. So it forms double bond, and this bond automatically goes to this carbon. This bond automatically goes to this carbon. So here minus charge. Okay. Do you understand? This lone pair moves here. Carbon valence is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1, 5. So carbon does not having 5 bonds. So this bond moves here. So it creates positive charge. This is the resonance structure, that is canonical structure. Okay. The order is pi sigma lone pair. Next example. Okay. This is the phenol structure. Here you are having lone pair in the oxygen atom. Lone pair sigma pi order. Lone pair sigma pi order. Otherwise pi sigma lone pair. You can see like that. Here these electrons moves here. So creating double bond. So this bond moves out. So negative charge creates on this carbon. Okay. So resonance structure for this one to this one. From this to we are getting this. Now this negative charge moves here. This pi bond, one bond, this pi bond moves here. So here creating minus charge, and here one pi bond. Okay. From this structure we are getting this. Okay. Do not disturb this. Only movement of electron takes place here only. This electron moves here, this electron moves here. Okay. Now conjugation this structure. Then from this structures we are getting this structure. Okay. Now this bond moves here, this bond moves out, we are getting structure like this. Now from this to this we are getting this electron moves here, this electron moves here. So we are getting, so okay, comparing this one and last structure, there is a changing in the position of pi and sigma bond. Okay, here see this place. Here you are having sigma bond, but here you are having pi bond. So there is change in position of sigma and pi bond and lone pair. So this is example for pi sigma pi. Next, pi sigma free radical. So this is the compound AA. The electrons. One electrons moves here, one electron moves here. We are getting free radical. A dot plus A dot. So we are representing radical by the dot. Okay. This is the example. Pi sigma here free radical. So this free radical moves here. Here 2 electrons. We are having 2 electrons. One electron moves here forming pi bond. Okay. This is wrong. Okay. Pi sigma free radical. Okay. Forming. No. We are getting one electron moves here. So we are getting CH2 radical CH double bond CH2. This is the resonance structure for this. Free radical, one here having one electron. So how many electrons you need to form? About 2 electrons. So one electron from this carbon, one electron from this bond forming here the bond, one electron moves here. So forming free radical. Next example, pi sigma pi. Okay, this is an example. Pi sigma pi. Okay, here oxygen takes away the electron, so create a positive charge. So the carbon become positive charge. Okay, so see carbon plus. So you have to strike out this positive. Then here this electron moves here, so forming pi bond. So the positive charge automatically removes. This carbon will become a positive. This is the resonance structure for this compound. Okay, now again I told that these 2 electrons move here, so oxygen minus formed. Here carbon now become electron deficient, so we are representing by positive, so remaining as like that. Okay, then from this structure too we are getting this. Here these 2 electrons moves here, so automatically this carbon become positive, this carbon become carbon valency satisfied. Okay, thank you.